even get to bras.
User review 1. Very good product. I have been using this IFB brand for past 18 years, no issues in. I don't even know that I have IFB brand bcoz. It don't have any issues. I have brought this at my mother-in-law's place, and I strongly recommend to go for it, especially online bcoz. It's much cheaper and you get very easily warranted. And disregard the negative comment bcoz. This people's never know that is washing machine or how to operate. This people who wrote negative comment of IFB brand are cheap people. They might User review 2. I bought this under exchange when Flipkart hosted Big Billion sales. The deal was awesome, which included delivery of new machine, collecting old machine and installation. Delivery was swift with perfect packing. Within hours of delivery, Flipkart arranged for installation by IFB. The machine was up and running in flat 4 days of placing my order. Thanks to Flipkart, the machine is perfect for a medium-size family. There are multiple wash programs which suits my requirement. The wash quality is User review 3. I had a good deal in this purchase. The exchange made for my old machine was the icing on the cake, and the new one is working very well. User review 4. Good product from IFB. Price also reasonable. Working very smoothly without noise. Only problem is installation. IFB person take 5 days to installation and demo, and another problem is extra money for all accessories like outlet pipe, stand, stabilizer, filter, drum cleaning powder, cover etc. Nearly 6,000. User review 5. It's been a week of washing machine I have purchased and I am really satisfied with this product. It is silent and have a washing programs which you need on daily basis. Plus this machine adds a warm and hot water option which is very good to wash your bed sheets and pillow covers as well as clothes.